Hey, what's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, we're working on a 2013 RAV4. Customer complaint is their blower motor for the air conditioning isn't blowing all the time. He puts his hand under the dash and he'll tap on the blower motor and it'll take off and go. So in this video, I'm going to show you where the blower motor is located and how to replace it. Let's go. I went ahead and removed the glove box so you can get a good view of it, but this is your blower motor housing right here, and your blower motor is located right up under here. That's your blower motor right there. First thing you want to do is move the bracket to get this wiring harness out of the way so you can reach that one screw right there. I mean, you can bend it, people do bend it, but I don't recommend bending it. Alright guys, there are 3 8mm screws that hold that blower motor on. And you just unplug the harness. Push this clip and unplug the harness. And this is what your blower motor looks like. Alright guys, to install this blower motor, it's just reverse procedure. The skill level on this is probably about a 1 or a 2, so it's definitely doable at home. Guys, that is it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Catch you later.